What's up guys, and today I'm going to show you how to fix AliExpress payment error. Now first open your AliExpress application on your phone. Then what you should do right now is to simply go to your account settings, and you can do this by tapping on the icon on the bottom right corner. Then after that it will show you this page. You should click on Help Center right here. Then once you get into this page, you have to scroll down till you find online service. Tap on online service button, and what you actually are going to do right now is to simply send a message to AliExpress support itself. And here, one of their support agents will communicate with you, chat with you directly, and he will tell you exactly some of the troubleshooting steps in order to fix your issue, or he will show you a video to do that, or he can even fix the issue without making you do any steps. But you should first tap on this box below and type or describe the problem in details. So you can simply type, "Good evening, I'm facing a problem with the payment on AliExpress." And after sending them the message, a customer agent will join the chat within few minutes. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.